Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So those who are new to my channel, I am Shivi Agarwal. Subscribe to my channel for and click on bell button so as you will get notification whenever I'll be uploading a new video. So this video is all about which product, if you are very new to makeup, or which products you should be adding in your vanity kit if you are beginner in makeup field. So starting with the primer, I would recommend for pore filler budgeted one. I would recommend you to go for Lotus Eco Stay or Benefit Pore Facial is a very good primer you can go for. So the second which needs to be added in our kit is foundation. The next one is Maybelline Fit Me, that is from medium to full coverage. It has entire range of colors available in the market, so you can perfectly find your shade in this. The other one is L'Oreal Inflammable 24 hours stay foundation, that is sheer to medium coverage. You can go for this one. It has a wide range of colors available in the market, so you will surely find your color in this foundation. So coming back to the concealer, so if I'll tell you the difference between the concealer and the foundation. Concealers are a bit thick in consistency comparative to the foundations. So those who have discoloration on their skin, those who have pigmentation on their skin, then you can go for concealer. Otherwise there is no need for concealer. Foundation can do their good job. So coming back to the concealer, which one you can add in your vanity? The first one is LA Girl, which is easily available in the market. It has entire color range available, so you can surely found the concealer for the highlighting, for this contouring purpose, for discoloration. This is super bomb concealer. I would highly recommend this. Then after this LA Girl, the other one which is easily available in the market, and a concealer with a full coverage is Maybelline this Age Rewind concealer. It has it don't have too much of colors available in the market. The last color available is of caramel, but still you will find a color. It has full coverage concealer. So this is a bomb concealer available in the market in our budget range. So after the concealer, which we should be adding the translucent powder or compact powder in your vanity. It's up to you whether you want to add translucent powder, which is loose powder, or compact powder. So there are two powders which I really like. Is first one is PAC translucent powder. This is HD powder. And the other one which I like is Maybelline Fit Me. So above all this, I like Laura Mercier, one of the best loose powder available in the market, but that is again a bit higher in range. So that is up to you which one you want to choose. Translucent powder is very much important in our makeup kit, because it locks the makeup, it locks the foundation. Our foundation stays as it is after locking it from the translucent powder, loose powder. Then after this, I would like to add bronzer. So for bronzer, you can add there is a palette available in the market from Sugar Cosmetics. It has three contouring and blush in this palette, that is for around 700 800 bucks. You can surely forgo this. It has good pigmentation and a very good product available in the market. So after this sugar bronzer, I next product which you can go for is this lipstick. Lipstick is very basic product. We do have wide collection of lipsticks. So for lipstick, you can go as per your taste and which one you want to go for. It's creamy matte is available in the market, liquid matte is available in the market, or as per your choice you can go for the colors. So after lipstick, the main thing I would like to tell you have to add in your vanity is for brows. So brows is I think brows is the main important element on our face. So it frames your face. Benefits brow pencil is very good, which is available in the market. So after that, any brow pencil you can go for it, but I would highly recommend Benefits one. And Etude brow pencil, I like that also. So as per your choice, you can go for the brow pencil. And then the next product is mascara, which is very important again for makeup kit. So we do have a wide variety of mascaras available in the market. The ones I like is Maybelline Volume Express, easily available in the market, and very good results. After this Maybelline one, I would highly recommend Kiko Milano's this mascara, easily available in the market, or you can get it from Nykaa and Sephora. It is easily available. So these are the main things which we should be there should be in your makeup vanity kit. So I'm sure you might be asking, I have not advised for this highlighter. So highlighter is I believe highlighter is something which we need for photos. So if you will buy that Sugar Cosmetic palette, it has contouring, it has blush, it has highlighter in this. So highlighter is again an optional. If you want to add in your vanity, you can go for Sugar one, you can go for LA Girl, I like that also. So these are the I think I have told you 7 things. So these 7 are the basic things which you can add in your vanity kit, and you will get a perfect makeup look. So I'll be adding detail of all the products I told you in the description section, from where you can get these products. Till then, so I'll be back with my another video soon. Till then, bye bye, take care.